Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use Slack list step by step, one of the Slack newest and most powerful feature for project and task management. By the end of this video, you will be able to set up a fully functional workspace with task list, team collaboration, deadlines and priority sorting, all inside the Slack. Why this is important and what is use case? Now well, most team already use Slack to communicate, but Slack lists takes it further. It lets you to actually manage your project, assign tasks, set priorities and deadlines, all without switching tools. Now, it's perfect for startup team managing a product launch, freelancer keeping tracking of client work, marketing or design team collaborating across the time zone, and anyone tired of flipping between Slack and other task managers. So let's dive into it, and I will walk you through everything from creating a Slack workspace to build your first task list with views, filters and more. Now set up step by step. I will guide you Slack list. First of all, you have to create a Slack account and workspace. And now you have to come on this website which is Slack, and now click on the get started to get start. And over here you have to sign up with your email. If you have email, you can just simply add it and continue. Right now I will use Google for this tutorial. Just simply click on the Google and it will take you to Google's pop-up page, and select the Gmail and hit the continue button. And now let's create a workspace. You will be asked to name your company or team. Make it clean and professional. I am naming mine it is for trial. This is for tutorial. You don't need to like, you have to give a professional name, so please make sure you have a good name, and then enter your then click on the next, and after that you have to enter your company name, as you can say TechServe. Now if you want to click edit a photo, you can click on that and you can just simply add the photo as well. So what I will do this, simply choose the photo of Mr. Donald Trump. This is just for profile photo must be GF. Okay, I will just I don't know, I will not choose the photo because I don't need to. It is optional, and you can enter the name. I will say maker, and if you want to edit, just simply click on the edit and after the next. Now who else on the trial team? Now you can add a coworker by email. So what I will do, I will just simply search for Gmail and I will add the different Gmail of mine in that. Okay, the session is end, so I will just skip that option too, and I can copy the link as well. And if you have an email, just enter that email and hit the next, and you can copy the invite link. Now skip the step without inviting. Now as you can see here, start with the limited free version, and if you want pro version, just simply I will do for now I will start with the limited free version. Now welcome to Stack. Next, focus on the topic. Free access to premium features. Thank for that. So this is the interface of Slack. It's a trial version. So as you can see here, the default channel, you can create a new channel. This is a direct message. It's very similar to Discord, but not exactly Discord. To access the first Slack list, on the left side of your Slack window, hover over more and then click the list. Just click on that, and as you can see here, you will get this open the Slack list panel. Here you will see templates, click on the list and you will get to see this templates like project tracker, quarterly plan, backlog tracker, feedback tracker. I will choose, I think you can also view all your previous list below if you have selected. Let's click on the project tracker template. Now I don't need the project tracker. I will choose feedback tracker and then click use template, and now you are all ready to customize list. Now if you want to customize the view, click on the view icon. So I have choose this feedback tracker, so I can customize this description as well, and I can change the feedback tracker to my tracker or my team tracker. So you can give the feedback as well, and if you want more details you can just simply add more detail as well. Now if you see the types, you can choose the types and click on the others. You can do that. Now if you want to customize more in the types, or you want to add more types, you have to just simply click on that, or you can able to change that. Now if you see severity, you can change that too by just clicking, and submitted by me, which is maker, which I have created, so you can play with it. Now if you want more, for you want to add one more field, you can do that too. You can add select date. So just for example, add we have already added the date, so what I will do, just close and discard. So I will give the rating. So from quantity, save, field name will be rating, and save it. So scroll down a little bit, you will be able to give a rating as well. So yeah, you can customize your list as well. And if you explore the template and task in the list, you will get to see the more. Just simply click on this. Now you will get feedback tracker, help request tracker, deal tracker, and all of those. But if you have a premium version, you will get to see more. And if you want to create a blank list, like if you want to create from scratch, you can do that too. Just click on the blank, and from here, for example, I want a video production list where I will add the video name. So video name, and assign these videos to individuals by adding their emails. Now I can set the dates as well. So just for this tutorial, I'm selecting the random numbers. And if you want to add more field, you have to just simply click on the add type. Now from here you can choose that too. For example, I will choose people, and who created this video, and just create it. I can add the people over here. What I have to do is just add more people. I can share this list with anyone. So for example, I will add one more a field in the box, which is which will be the people file checkbox ratings. Just simply click on the rating, and add that too. So you can create your own list as well, and assign to you. I can see all the assigned uh, things to me in the assigned section. If you want to see deleted, you can see that too. Activity, DMs, homes. So If you want to create uh, for example a channel, you can do that too. So if you go on that list again, and you can, if you want to add items more, you can just have to simply click on that. So you can add comments, add options, for example this one, you can do that as well. If you want, like, add one more thing in the, for example add comment, you can add a comment in the thread as well. So yeah, you can like add a text field, date field, file uploads, message and threads, add all of those things. Now you can share and collaborate with that, with this list, with your friends and colleagues. For doing that, you have to just simply copy the link of the just copy link and send to your team. Set permission for view only or can edit, or invite people directly from your Slack contacts. This make it super easy to collaborate, especially with distributed team or freelancer. Now you can filter, sort, and stay organized as well. Now that your list is built, you can make it super functional with filters and sorting. Click on the filters over here, and from here you can filter it all the things: submitted by, assign me, due date, severity, and if you go again, sort, you can sort with details, type, submitted by me, and all of those things. You can also sort the list ascending or descending order to stay on the top of deadlines or priority tasks. Need a quick view of in progress tasks? Just filter by status and select in progress. Want to know what is overdue? Filter out that day and filter by due date. You will get that thing in front of you. Now final thought is, you have now learned how to create lists and how you can use templates of Slack list. You can create a Slack workspace, set up a Slack list from templates, and assign, filter, sort, and collaborate on tasks, and manage entire projects without leaving the Slack. Slack list is a game changer for teams who are already using Slack every day. No more jiggling between 5 different apps, just everything in one place. If this video helped you out, make sure you like and comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching.